So it has been brought to my attention that in today's episode, we apparently need to have a safety meeting. Now, for some of you, not that kind of safety meeting, but for the rest of you, this kind of safety meeting. Every single one of them out here with no shoes, no gloves, absolutely nothing. So, not real safe.
So today is the day that we begin rebuilding the inside of the camper. We're getting rid of all of that mold and rebuilding all the frames. We're excited. It's another family project.
Well, not so much. Oh, hi. I have my shoes on. I don't know what my dad's talking about, but my sister on the other hand... First thing we need to do is clean this out and make some room for my dad to work. Well, screens are out. Just the cushions to go.
What he's talking about. Anyway, we are using 2x4s, and the reason we're doing this is because it was a lot cheaper to buy a 2x4 and rip it down for the interior of the walls rather than buying like the 1x1 or whatever. So we are just gonna rip this down real quick. Team Dad, which will be repairing all the rotten wood in the camper, and then we have Team Mom, which is going to work on taking all the seams off on the outside and resealing that. So excited to get started. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is take off this rubber screw cover so I can access those screws and get that corner off. Sure that these screws are just going to fall out, but I'm going to use this just in case. Well, that's fun. Completely detached from the screw. I seriously probably could just pull this corner trim off. If you can see this, but I just took the corner off and it is so nasty. I mean, the butyl tape is just crumbling. Some of it's not even there anymore, but lots of rusted screws. You know it's a problem.
At home, please tell me in the comments. I hate this.
Okay, I'm going to take out all this rotten wood. Some of it's still okay, but it is discolored and has some mold on it. So I'm going to go ahead and take that out. Also, it is pieced right here, so I'm going to make one continuous piece to add a little bit more structure to it instead of having it spliced here in the middle. So what I need you to do is I need you to take out the rock guard and the window so that we can replace this wood. Got it?
Well, it's all good. Just want to get wet though. Maybe I should put the whole bucket on me. Sounds good.
I have been scraping all day. This butyl tape is no joke. It's just so sticky, but I have to get every single bit off of it. And it has been so hot today that finally I've waited till the sun has started to go down so it's a little bit cooler. But you can see this just kind of, it does come right off, but you've got to scrape it, and that is all I've been doing is scrape, 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 scrape all day long. Hopefully it pays off.
You mean we scraped, right?
And your Okay, so I was super busy yesterday scraping off all of these corners and really hurting my hands. And okay, this is metal. It's obvious you should be wearing gloves, but I was in a hurry and I was thinking, oh, it'll be fine. Yeah, my hands really got beat up, so wear gloves. So I didn't get a chance to check on Keith to see his progress, so let's go check it out. How's it coming?
It's coming along. Just repairing a lot of the damage on the floor. Pretty much had to rebuild the whole front curb. So the rest of the floor looks pretty good. But I guess time will tell.
I got my gaskets for my windows! Yay! Now, the test. Do they actually fit our windows or not? I don't know. So I guess I will go replace the gaskets in our first window, the big one. Hopefully I did it right. Wish me luck. This window has been such a pain. Okay, so in order to get to the gaskets to have all of them replaced, we had to take this top piece off. Well, unfortunately, 2 of the screws are so rusted that it was so hard to take off the top. So Keith had to try every last thing. He tried drilling and using the multi-tool to try to cut it off. It took forever, but it's off. So now I'm going to work on the gaskets to hopefully get them on, and we were hoping to get the window installed before this nasty storm came. I don't know if you can see the clouds, but man, this front came in. So disappointed. We got to call it a day, and we didn't get a chance to put the window in. So we ended up putting a tarp up. So hopefully we won't have a whole lot of damage to all the work we just did inside the camper, but oh well, it's part of it. So we got the tarp on and hopefully that's enough.